Hello, I'm on my way to Talad Noi in Bangkok. If you have time, just come along. I'm approaching Cherion Krung Road Soi 22, possibly the best starting point for a walk through the quarter. Talad Noi is a rustic, trendy neighborhood in the south of Chinatown. It's where work and art shake hands and grab a coffee together. Troc San Chow Rong Queek, what a name. On one side of the alley, you can admire street art, and on the other side, photo art. This colorful building is home to Mother Roasters, a coffee shop right in the middle of Talad Noi. To reach the coffee on the second floor, you first have to wander through a room full of old machine parts on the first floor. It's like a mini adventure for your caffeine fix. As you can see, we're not the only tourists around. Talad Noi has become the cool place to be. The So Heng Thai House. On the left side, there's another coffee shop. The pool in the courtyard was probably once the training pool for a diving school. The most famous photo spot in the quarter, an old, rusty little car. As you'd expect from Chinatown, there are Chinese temples to check out. At the northern end of Talad Noi is the River View Guest House. You can enjoy the view of the river with a cold Leo beer on the hotel's rooftop. And if you're hungry, they've got you covered too. 15 years ago, I stayed here for a week. Back then, it was pretty deserted, and the prices were almost 7-Eleven level. That's changed now, but it's still not really expensive. The guest house also offers a nice view towards downtown Bangkok. In my opinion, one of the best views of the monster city skyline. Another Chinese temple. It's too pretty to skip. Yes, go Talad Noi. You won't regret it. This rusty car isn't a famous photo spot yet. What's it doing wrong? This is the most famous resident of the quarter, Optimus Prime. He's found a home here. If you're not done yet, head over to Sharian Krung Road, Soi 32. At least the graffiti lover will find plenty to enjoy in the back part of the street. That's it. Thanks for watching. Bye, and take care. See you next time.